Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video we are going to learn that how to make an OTP based system. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, first of all we will come to our VS Code where you have to make a folder. I have made a folder named OTP verification, and in that folder we have to create an basic HTML file. So let's create. I have created a basic HTML file named index.html. So after creating this index.html file, we have to write some front-end code. I have already a basic code, so I just copy paste here. If you also want this code, you just comment me code. I will provide you the codes. It is a basic HTML code where we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScripts and a basic sign-up authentication page. So just run it. And when we run this code, it will show you the basic sign up or login page where it will ask to the user full name, email ID and user's password. It is just a basic simple sign up or login page. So let's come to our VS Code. So this is our front end part. Let's come to the Chrome browser for our backend. So for backend we are using Supabase. Okay, so search for Supabase. We are using Supabase. So search for Supabase and open its official website. When you open this, it will ask you for start your project. Okay, so if you have already created your account, so you just log in. If you don't have created your account, you have to sign up. Okay, so I have not created my account, so I will continue with the sign up option, which is below the sign in button. Okay, so just click on the sign up button and enter your email ID, password, and once you verify it, it will come a page like this where the organizations, your organization name, you have to create a project name here, you have to set a database password and reason. Like I have creating new project, so name it, the project is OTP. Okay, so write OTP and we have to enter a database password which we'll use for our database users and all. So whatever the password you are entering here, you have to remember it. Okay, and reason you can select any. I am from Asia, so I will choose Asia. Okay, so okay, and then you have to click on the create new project. It will take some time. Once it creates the project, this type of page will open. You have to save the password. Okay, so this is our project dashboard page on Supabase. Okay, here status is like writing like check, and now it is unhealthy because we don't have add much more credentials, so it is good for now. Okay, we are just testing. You have to come to table editor page. Okay, create a table. Okay, we have to name our table, so like give name like user. Okay, now we have to create columns. Okay, ID is already created. We have to create name column, and the name will store as a text. Okay, so we will search here text and select the text. Another column we will create, which will be email column. Okay, so we have to name it email, and we have to click check a type. Okay, so it will also store as a text type. Okay, select the text and save this. It will take some time to save. Once it will save, we will go to the further process. What are the process we need to do for this OTP generation? Okay, it is creating the table which name is user. Okay, so it will take some time. We have to wait. Okay, so now it is created our user table, and it will show. Okay, here we have to do one thing: disable row level security, because if the RLS is open, so it will not allow the data to come from the local host or the other any websites. Okay, then we have to come to project setting, and in the project setting we have to click on the API keys. Okay, API keys, which will be very important for us. First of all, we have to go to project overview, and from there we will copy our project URL. Okay, so this is our project URL. We will copy this. Okay, and it will be very useful for us. So just minimize the screen and come to VS Code. Also in VS Code we have to find where we have to enter our project URL. Okay, so in the JavaScript codes we have to copy. Here we have to copy our Supabase URL, which is our project URL. We just have to control V, and then we have to use Supabase anon key. So for that we will come to our Supabase dashboard again, and we have to come for the API key section, which is the project section. Okay, so come here, project setting section. So project setting, then we have to come to the API keys. Okay, API keys, and then you can see here that we have the anon public key. We just have to copy from here and paste in the VS Code. Okay, once we paste it, we have to control S. We have to save this code. Let's maximize the screen, VS Code, and once we have done this all, we have to just control S to save and check that all codes are okay. Okay, once we see that all codes are okay, we have to control S and we will run it. Okay, so just check it that everything is good. Switch loop forms are also good, and everything is now on correct. Okay, so just it is already running. We start, so say we will stop that and run again. Okay, first of all we have to minimize the Chrome browser also, then come to VS Code and go live. Okay, once we do the go live, it will start our server. Okay, and we have to enter the details like Sambhav Raj, and my email ID I will enter here. Okay, so when I enter my email ID, okay, then click on the sign up button. When I click on the sign up button, it will send you an email to my it will send a link on my email. You can see here the link is coming already. We just have to open it, and open it. After click on the link, the email will be verified by the Supabase, and our account has already created, but the verification is still left. So after clicking this URL, it will show like a screen like this, but our account is verified now. We can log in. Just click on the login button and we can check that our account is verified or not. Okay, so let's just check it. Click on the login screen. We have to save the password. Okay, we have to write our email ID. Okay, okay, once we write our email ID, we have to write our password and just click on the login screen, and yeah, it is looking like okay, I have logged out. So yeah, once again we have to check that. We have to write just our email ID and password. Okay, and login. Yes, so it is showing now, welcome, login successful. It means our email ID is verified, and that is verified from Supabase. Okay, so log out and check from another email that it is working or not. Okay, so I am writing my another name also. Okay, new email ID I will write here. Okay, to check that it is working or not. Okay, and password I will again type another password for that, and after done we have to click on the sign up option. Okay, and it is saying like could not find table public.users. Okay, so I think there is an error in database, but it doesn't matter. Our email is coming already, the link is there. We just have to click on this, and it will open a page like this, but don't worry, our email has successfully verified. We just have to check again by clicking on the login. Okay, and that database problem was showing that maybe because of any table problem. So it doesn't matter, we just have to go to our login again and we will check that it will work or not. Okay, so okay, come to the login section, click on the login button. We have to save the password and re-enter the email ID which we have done the recently verifying. Okay, writing the email ID, and we have to type the password again. Okay, whatever the password we have done. Okay, if you remember, you do, otherwise which we have saved the password again, we can do by this way also. Okay, yeah, it is showing login, welcome, so it is done. So if you like the video, comment the video and subscribe the channel, like the video, and thanks for watching.